What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be analyzing NIO. We're going to be breaking it down from a technical standpoint, and we're just going to talk about, the day it's had. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for being here, and let's get right into this technical analysis. Now, if you've been watching NIO today, you've probably been like, what is going on? Why are we selling off? What's happening with NIO? Are we coming back down? Are we crashing? Are we heading to $30? What's happening? Well, I'm gonna try to answer those questions for you guys. From a news standpoint, there's nothing really happening right now. There's nothing happening. I've been searching, across the internet, seeing if I can find any news related to this drop, and by the looks of it, it's just solely based off of technical analysis and that there's just more sellers than buyers right now. There's simply just not demand for NIO. Now, if we look at Tesla, which is also obviously another EV, it sold off today. Now, Tesla did have some news on it. It had something to do with deliveries of the Model X and Model S, I'm pretty sure. But it had some news on it, and it sold off. So it could have some impact on NIO. NIO could have, followed Tesla with that regards, or NIO is just operating on its own. Let me know in the comments below, why do you think NIO sold off today? Do you think it was just because, we broke some key levels, or do you think there was something else going on? Please let me know in the comments below. I want to hear what you guys think about that. So just looking at NIO, why did it sell off today? Well, from a technical standpoint, you can blame it on that it broke the support. So I told you guys in the video I made yesterday, in the videos before that, that staying above 39.39 is crucial. We need to stay above it and get above it. And this is the reason why, guys. This is one of the main reasons why I wanted us to stay above it today, is because once we broke that, I knew we were going to sell off. I knew we were going to sell off. Now, our previous NIO videos, I talked about we looked good as long as we held that 39.39 support. I wasn't guaranteeing nothing that NIO was going to go up. I was not guaranteeing it at all. I was just saying that we looked good if we held 39.39. As soon as we break that, though, happened today. It just had to happen today. We fell through. So you guys saw that firsthand. We fell through and we were unable to hold that 39.39 support. So, is NIO crashing? What's going on? Well, at the moment, guys, what we're working with is this apparent, we're just making lower highs. We're making lower highs. We are not able to push up. So, everyone knows that we fell off right here. We tried to push up, came back down, and what's it doing right now is it pushing up, and now it's kind of doing this same action right here where we might see another aggressive sell-off. So guys, that is something I'm watching very closely. Okay, bottom line, this is the number where I do not want to get underneath. Right here, underneath this cluster right here, so it's right at around 34.50. Bottom line, guys, do not want it to get underneath that. Why? Because we're making lower lows. If we get underneath this, we're officially now making lower lows, and we're still in this downtrend. We have not broken out of it. In order for us to, to confirm that we've broken out of it, we have to start pushing up here, guys. We have to really start pushing up. If this is your dip buy, this is all it needs to give. It does not need to get any lower. So hopefully the buyers do show up on NIO. And I still think NIO at this price, even though the chart looks ugly, it's not looking too good. I still think NIO is honestly a steal at this price, guys. Just based off, its all-time high levels. And nothing has changed, fundamentally about the company. They're still delivering awesome numbers. They're continuing to grow. They're delivering more cars each quarter. So we know that is there. It's not like it's a fluke company and they're not putting up the numbers. It's not like that at all. This is NIO. They're increasing deliveries year over year. From last year compared to this time, they did an increase of 300%. 3 times what they did last year. Imagine what it's going to do next year. So guys, we know fundamentally this company is good. It's just a matter of, when the investors are going to really get on board and when the money is going to start piling into here. But from a technical standpoint, to summarize, we don't need to get underneath this low right here. Do not need to get underneath 34.50. Do not need to get underneath that, guys. I'm stressing that so much because if we do, we're still in this downtrend. We're still in a downtrend either way, but if we really get underneath here, it's going to get bad. And it's already, looking bad based off of this fall in the support. But it's still okay, guys. We still have this overall uptrend right here. If you're just looking at this right here, we're still in an uptrend. This could very well just be the dip buy, and we have an awesome day, you know, to finish out Thursday and then Friday. So that's a possibility. Overall though, little longer term, want to see us get back above 44.67 for me to feel comfortable, but we got a ways to go. And right now what we're working with, guys, is sellers are in control. Sellers push price down. That's why we fell down today, guys. And, you know, hopefully this is all we fall down to, and then we start recovering from here. Just looking at the overall market, you know, it's been pretty quiet last 2 days. Today, you know, we got a little bit of action, but it's been consolidating pretty much. Yesterday it consolidated, and today it consolidated. Not too much action. Keep in mind we have Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow, so we may see some volatility with the market, NEO. So make sure you keep an eye on that. But I do think the overall market is gearing up for an explosive move up. Hopefully, you know, NEO follows suits very soon. But let me know in the comments below, what is your opinion on NEO right now? Have you given up hope, or are you just holding on and you believe in this company fundamentally because they've been increasing, you know, their production, their deliveries, all of that? Let me know, guys. Appreciate y'all being here, and I'll see you in the next video.